Hi dear Emma, today we will show the second step of installing TigerWings Enterprise. Today I will show you how we put TigerWings Desktop Edition in a work state. The installation process starts with creating a new database. Go to SQL Management Studio, then Databases, then create a new database. Here insert database name. Database name should not have special characters or spaces. Then from the Options tab, select the database collation. We select the collation depending on the Windows collation. If it is Arabic, here we should select Arabic CIS. Also, you can change the recovery model to simple. Then press OK. After that, go to the TigerWings shortcut. With right-click, select the Open File location, then go to TigerWings Sys. With right-click, then Run as Administration. The Create a New Company wizard will open, close it, and continue. After that, the database license window will open. Here insert the username of SQL Server, password, SQL Server engine name, then the database name that we created before, then press the Save button. After that, directly the system will ask you to generate the database and preparing the system tables. After finishing, the system administration will open. The default username and password is logo. Change the language to English, then press Login button. Here inside the system administration, the first step is to generate a new terminal. From Management menu, select Terminal menu item. After you select the default user for the terminal, press the code button to bring the computer name. Copy it and paste it to name field. Then press Save button. The next step is that you create a new company. Go to the Management menu, then select the company's menu item. Inside the company's window, press Create a New Company. Insert the company name and select the suitable legislation for your country, then go to Details. Here from the Detail window, go to the Working Info tab. Select all workdays, then select Base and Report Currency. Then change the database language depending on the database and window collation. As our example here, we will select Arabic. That because we need to insert Arabic characters. After that, directly Save button. Here the system asks us to generate the company tables. Press OK to start. Here select the suitable chart of account for your work. Also asking us to generate some standards. Press OK and continue. Now it is the time to generate the transaction tables depending on the period. So go to the company, expand it, then this double-click on the periods. After you confirm the period data, press the Save button. Now the transaction tables will be generated. After finished, with right-click, select Mart as the current period. Then you can, if you want to generate a standard numbering template. Go to Management, select Record Number, then select Generate Standard Numbering Template. Finally, you can select the default company and default language for a user. Go to Management, then Users, then select the company for the selected user. And from Detail, select the default interface language for a user, then Save. Now, everything is ready to open the Tiger Wings Desktop Edition. From the shortcut on the desktop, right-click on it and select the Open File location. Then go to Tiger Wings, right-click, select Run as Administrator. If the product refuses to work as the first time, you can add the Tiger Wings executable files to DAP. Follow these steps to do that, and try again. If you have more than product is installed on your PC, you need to restart the service of the product. Now the product is ready to work normally. Now the product on working. See you in the next video to explain the default setting to make Tiger Wings work as a web application.